Okay, we'll be working on the background next. I'm just going to get some Mars black, some red, and some white. And we're going to mix it up. We're going to fill in that whole background. See how that makes Cricket stand out a lot more? It brings them forward. Background looks pretty cool. Just work around those feathers on the top. At this point, don't worry about any detail up there on the feathers. Just go ahead and fill in that background because you'll be detailing over the top of it. You just want to get that undercoat and that background in there. Okay. Set those feathers back a little bit more so when we add the light colors on top of it, it'll show up really nice. There we go. Now we'll just start adding our lighter colors on the feathers. We'll use our fan brush. We'll just do some sweeping motions. Now the fan brush is a great tool for doing feathers. As you see, you can just dab the canvas with your fan brush and it gives a feathery look. And there's so much you can do with the fan brush. It's amazing. Now we're down to our zero brush and we're going to do some fine detail. We're going to bring out some of the light down around his body. We're going to get up around his nose. This is we're doing our fine detail. Now we're going to work on the feathers. Yeah, you see what happens when we add our light over the top of our dark? It brings it out, makes the feathers look nice and fluffy. We're all finished. You sign your name to your painting. And then when you're through signing your work, then we'll get Mars black and we'll paint the edges of your canvas to give it a finished look. That way you can hang it up onto the wall without a frame. Oh, there he is, Cricket the Cockatiel. Hello, we're back. That was a fun show. I'm glad you could join me. You have a great day, and happy painting. I'll see you next time. Bye.